Hey folks, this is Joe here with HSC. This is our customer Sherri here. She wanted to replace this sidewalk with concrete as well as this patio. There's some tripping hazards, and she's got an 80-something-year-old mom who she doesn't want falling down, so we're here to fix the situation. You can see we got everything all set up. We put the wire mesh in there, also with some rebar just in the corner. Sometimes we like to add a couple bars here and there just for added strength, you know, keeping those standards high. So this is the setup. Ryan and Daniel graded this and set it all up in a day for us, and come back to pour it here. We had Andrew come out and pump this. This is up in the high desert in California, in Hesperia. Andrew's a local pumper, so he's done a good job. So had him out here. As you can see, we put down a lot of stuff here to protect this artificial turf. We don't like cleaning things up. We like to prevent the mess. We also put plastic on the wall there for the same reason. And, here we go, pouring it out. You see Ryan's got the rake there ready. We're pulling up the mesh into the concrete, the wire mesh and the rebar, making sure it's up in there. And then it's done, just like that, folks. So this was really a day-and-a-half project, but a 2-day project, I guess. It's kind of a small job, but we do big jobs and we do small jobs. We don't have no problem coming out here and helping Sherri out, take care of this walkway so that her mom has a nice, safe place to walk around and not trip. Decent-sized little patio in the back of this mobile home in the senior community. Enough room for her to put her tables and chairs out and hang out, enjoy that retirement. Everything nice and clean. That's what we pride ourselves in. We always leave everything nice and clean, even the artificial turf there. If we hadn't put down that plywood and that plastic and stuff, you know, we could have cleaned it up, but it would have been a mess. In my opinion, you know, you take the time and the effort and some materials and you cover things up, and you save yourself all that cleanup. Sometimes cleanup doesn't really come that clean. All right, folks, that's it. Keep your standards high. Call us when you need us.